Howdy crew, got an update for the truck for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Today's update for the truck is it has been ordered. I went through a fleet manager that got my F-150 Lariat through, so I am ordering an F-350 Lariat. I will have some computer-generated images popping up of what it will be looking like. It's going to be a nice white truck. It's going to be the Oxford white. There was the pearl white, and it looked really nice, except for that was another $1,000 extra. And there's already been quite a bit on this truck as it is being a Lariat. It's going to be very expensive. I do have quite a bit of add-ons as well. And so it's going to be expensive. I didn't need to put another $1,000 into the paint job. It just wasn't necessary for me. I'm not that spendy for just the paint color. The white, Oxford white, is perfect by me. It's going to have the Baja interior, which looks really nice. The King Ranch version looked really nice too, but that was just a bit too pricey for me. So for the company, it's going to be the Ford F-350 single rear wheel, and it's not going to be the dually. It's going to be just the Lariat with a bunch of upgrades on it. It's going to be really nice looking, as y'all seen through the pictures. One thing though, it will be paid in cash. I don't want to be paying in payments, financing. It's just something that I don't want to be worrying about. If something's not going well, it's going to be paid all in cash. I don't worry about interest. And going through the fleet managers, you can get a better rate. You don't have to be paying for all these extra things. I don't really know what they are. I just know that going through the fleet manager I went through, I saved quite a bit of money, thousands of dollars of money. So I was very happy about that. Still going to be in the $70,000 to $80,000 range, but it's still going to be a very, very, very nice truck. And I'm very happy about it. I worked very hard to get to this point. A lot of overtime hours, a lot of extra stuff, doing different things to make sure that it's all built up for this, and I'm extremely happy about it. So it's going to have 4-wheel drive. It's going to have some other gadgets I'm going to save for when the truck actually gets here. It's going to take several months to get to the build date because it's being ordered, so I know the videos will be stacked up by the time they're being shown, so they're going to be very close together, but I have months until this truck is actually starting to be built. And that's very unfortunate because I know the video is going to be close. I've been planning it to have them close together for y'all, but for me, it's a long wait. So hopefully it's a lot closer to this video, but it's going to be months down the line. It's going to be in fall area time frame. Right now, it is summer, it is blazing hot, and I can't wait for this truck to get here. I want it to be built, and I want it to be here, but patience, it is virtue, so we're going to roll with that. But the truck has been ordered, went through all kinds of lists of extra options. There were some options I didn't get, just weren't necessary, but I did get quite a few add-ons, and I was very happy about it because there's some things on the truck that will be added on to it later, and I needed some things beefed up for it to handle that, other than just the weight, but I'll go through some of those upgrades later. I'm just very happy that the truck has been ordered. I'm super excited, and I did wait for the truck to be ordered to after the business account has been started, because you can't pay for the truck from business account if you don't start the business account. So I'm very happy the business account has been formed. That's all done, and the truck has been ordered. Things are just going right along as I've been hoping they would. It just a lot of time in between different things. You can't just do it day after day after day. You have to wait for this to happen, then you got to start something else, and it takes a while to get to that point, and it repeats the process. I'm just getting all these videos put together so they're in close sequence, because for me, things are already dragging out, but it's going to be worth it in the end. Hope the videos are going to be nice and close together, so that way it's not dull and everything's dragged out, because it can get that way, especially just watching it. So I'm just really happy the truck has been ordered. All these things are going fairly well at this point, and I'm going to keep you all updated on the status of the truck. It's going to take a long time to get here, but again, we're going to be patient. We're going to get all these other things that have to be done beforehand, but it is in a process. That's one thing. It is a process, And this was one of those steps. And now that I know the time frame, approximately when it's going to be built in mid to later fall-ish area. So I have all these other steps that I need to work on, and just going to keep chugging along. There'll be plenty more content coming out very soon. Hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next video.